love to do it. The things we need: square sheet of paper, pen, plaster, thread. Take a square sheet of paper, turn the paper, fold it in triangle. Another triangle. Open the sheet. You can see the middle line. This edge, fold it up. The same thing, do it to the opposite side. Now the sheet, fold it down this way. This edge should be straight. Here little bit cross, you have to take it, fold it to same line, fold another paper. Now you can see the two sheets are here. One sheet, fold it on this paper. The second sheet, you have to give the space, fold it this way. Now turn the sheet back. Here you have the middle line here. This sheet, this edge should touch to this middle line. This way. Press it here. Another sheet. Press it here. This way. Now take the plaster. Take a piece of plaster. Now take the thread. Keep it here. This way. One thread here, another thread here. Hold it here. Put the plaster. Now draw two eyes. Now your craft is ready. See, the bird is flying. Is it amazing? Try it at home.